Hello, hello, hello. I'm Kim, your positive shift navigator. Welcome to this episode of Know Your Crystals. Pink Tourmaline, the stone of love and emotional healing. Pink Tourmaline, it is a clear pink gemstone, a crystal of love, compassion, and emotional healing. With its beautiful shades of pink, this heart-centered stone carries a gentle yet powerful energy, bringing comfort and peace to those who seek it. Known as a stone of emotional balance, pink tourmaline helps release stress, heal past wounds, and invite more love into your life. It encourages a self-love, kindness, and deep inner healing, making it a perfect companion for the heart. It can also spur romantic love. And this one's kind of closer to a purple. Connected to the heart chakra, pink tourmaline opens the heart to unconditional love, strengthens emotional resilience, and fosters deep connections with yourself and others. This beautiful crystal is found in Brazil, Afghanistan, Madagascar, United States, and Africa, with each region offering unique variations of a soft, loving energy. Whether you wear it in jewelry, meditate with it, putting it on your heart chakra, or keep it close, pink tourmaline brings comfort, love, and emotional healing into your life. You can also wear or carry it on romantic dates. Are you ready to open your heart? I look forward to seeing you in the next episode of Know Your Crystals. If you like this video, feel free to hit the like button below or leave a comment. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. See you later.